Oh, hello. Oh, this? It's just a cup with my picture on it. You're probably wondering how I got it. Let me show you.
So I started off my day by visiting the lovely people of Hotpack at their factory in Al Giwain and received the warmest of welcomes. Hotpack Global is a UAE-based world-leading manufacturer of packaging products, established in 1995. They export to over 100 countries worldwide and work with over 25,000 international brands. What I love about Hotpack is their commitment to environmentally friendly practices.
Interesting fact about Hotpack is 97% of their products are either recyclable, biodegradable, or compostable. And this is just one of them. Like, this reminds me of what I used to get my biryani in.
This is all made possible with their top-of-the-line technology.
I've been informed that these cup machines are like the Rolls Royce of cup machines. 230 cups a minute, 100 million cups a month.
Every single thing you see is done in-house, from design to production, all the way until the product reaches you.
Who designed this cup? Did you design this? Whoever designed it, thank you.
Everything gets designed here as per the requirements from the customers, from all these big brands, before it goes down into the machines where all the work gets done.
So once the design is done, it comes over here, and if you can look what it's doing, it's taking that plain sheet and putting all the cuts in it, right there. So in the end, it comes out the exact way they want it, with all the boxes and the folds and the cuts.
And what's really cool about Hotpack is that no company is too big or too small. They will work with anyone, from the small businesses like the cafeteria down the street to the largest food chains and conglomerates.
Thank you so much, Hotpack, for showing me around your factory and all the work that you do and showing us how you're a part of our daily lives. It was absolutely awesome to see the work you're doing. Wishing you all the growth, all the success, inshallah. And thanks again for this beautiful cup. Much love. God bless. Hey, where's my Hotpack logo?